pop-up card, Earth Day. Children, let's make a pop-up greeting card. Take light green pastel sheet, fold it and cut it along as shown. Take dark green pastel sheet and cut leaf and small trees out of it. Fold the sheets from the center and put the light color sheet inside the dark green sheet. Paste it from the corners. Now, as you open the card, you see pop-up trees come out. Your pop-up tree card is ready.